everybody, welcome to Medling World. Tonight, it's time to go to the Rainforest Cafe. Come on in, check it out. So yes guys, we are heading into the Rainforest Cafe tonight. As you can see, volcano is starting to erupt. This goes off intermittently throughout the day and night. Right now, kind of getting close to 8 o'clock. So it's a little dark, not wicked dark out, but it looks a little bit nicer. That's cool. And we haven't eaten here in years, guys. I'm talking years. But we're gonna do a food review, show you around a little bit, give you some information all about Rainforest Cafe. So guys, oh, we also have May. May getting ready to go back to Brazil. If you've been watching, May's been hanging out with Medling World, Roberta's mom, who I call May, who means mother, you know, mom in Portuguese. But she's getting ready to go back to Brazil in a couple days.
She is, yeah.
And we're gonna miss May, but we figured we'd come out to Rainforest Cafe for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
It's been years.
Yes.
Jake, do you even remember ever coming here, Jake?
Yeah.
Jake's saying no, he doesn't even remember.
Yeah.
And it's been so long, I don't even remember. But here it is, we're at Disney Springs. Now there's 2 Rainforest Cafes on the Disney World property. There's one also as you would enter into Animal Kingdom. They're very coolly themed. I do remember the food probably was mediocre, I think, at best, when I came, but it's a very fun experience. So you got a gator out here. Oh, it's really moving around pretty well. You get the waterfall. And I think really when it comes down to Rainforest Cafe, it's all about the experience, but you do want to be, you know, when you're paying for food, it's got to be good. So I'm interested in trying out the food. Let's see if it's any good or not. Like I said, if I remember right, I think the food was pretty much just kind of average, but it is fun to eat inside because it's very immersive. It's themed really fun. They have a big gift shop here as you walk in. Reservations, I do recommend reservations to come here. We went on the app. It wasn't very busy tonight, so we were able to go on the app and make a reservation, you know, an hour ago to come at 8. So all depends. Walk-ins are welcome too. But if you want to be sure about getting a spot, just go on the My Disney Experience app, reserve your time. You can see, I can't, oh wow, I don't even remember. This store is huge. Huge store with all different merch. All the Rainforest calf merch. Look at that. I'll show you around a little bit. But this is basically what we're gonna be doing, is as you're eating, a lot of these animals are all around. A little bit of interaction. Yeah, is it a bit dated? Sure. This was really big back, I'd say, in the 90s. Rainforest calf, really big in the 90s. I can remember my oldest daughter, who is 30 years old. So she was born, you know, in the mid-90s. I can remember going to some Rainforest cafes up north when she was like 4 or 5. So it's been around for a while, the franchise. You can see they have all different kind of merch. They even have clothes. And actually, I think it's their own brand. It is. It's actually what's it say? Rainforest calf. Yeah, so they actually have their own line of merch. That's very neat. I didn't even realize that. But this store is really big. Now this frog, oh, I gotta go back. Let's walk back here a little bit. I gotta show you something. So I do remember this frog because I have a glass, I think, or a mug or something with this frog. Back, my memory's coming back to me. I think we ate at the location, the Rainforest Cafe location over at Animal Kingdom. I want to say Jake was probably 4 or 5 maybe. So good 8-9 years since. But yeah, so they have all of these different, like they have kids things, all kinds of stuff. And let's see, yeah, so it is their own. I just want to double check. Rainforest Calf Kids. So yeah, they have all of their own apparel, their own line of apparel. Oh, look at some of these fish. Let's go look at that as we get ready to go and eat. Hey, fishy. This tank's beautiful, actually. Look how clean the water is. They do a good job here. So they have, looks like 1, 2. Oh, there's a few different fish tanks throughout. We'll get more. It's going to be dark in there. I can tell you right now, it's going to be a very dark dining experience. But I can, from this viewpoint, depending where we sit, I can see some of the animals and the animatronics moving around. Look at this guy. I want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. As we're getting ready to go in, I just figured to show you quickly some of the variety of merch. Look at little animals. They have jewelry. And I wanted to kind of walk over here, see some of those, like those salt crystals over there. Let's go have a look. Oh, and I'm also noticing the different animals, they have names. Okay, that's cool. Like Maya, Nile for the croc. We got Ozzy, the gorilla. Cha-Cha, he looks like a tree frog. Rio. What's that, like a parrot? Bamba. I think that is a gorilla, right? That's probably, I don't know. That's a gorilla. That might be a chimpanzee, maybe. We got Iggy. Looks like, it almost looks like a dinosaur, or maybe an iguana. Iggy the iguana, that makes sense. And the elephant, Tuki. That's pretty neat. And then these salt crystals is actually why I came over. So yeah, all kinds of different merch. And these crystals too. Or different rocks. But these are those salt ones there. Very neat. Also found these neat plates with all the different animals. There's Iggy there. Roberta, I know you came right over as you came in and saw Rio.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I was saying, Bamba, he looks like a... We have Bamba. Oh, so this is some action going on here. Let me see if I can walk over there. We have Bamba. And again, Nile. So they have all the plates. See if I can just try to get over there and show you guys what it does. Sorry, I can probably tell because of the darkness in here that the camera's probably struggling a bit. Hang on. Alright, so it looks like a thunderstorm. And you can kind of hear the elephants. So this is like disrupting nature, I guess. Doesn't look like a lot of action. I would say the T-Rex, which I believe is the same company, Landry's, I think it is. I believe T-Rex is part of Landry's restaurant group. They seem to have a little bit more excitement with their shows with the dinosaurs. But it is what it is. Hey, listen, we're just here, we're vlogging, we're here to get something to eat and just enjoy each other's company tonight. May's got a couple days left. So when we get inside, we'll pick up this vlog again and we'll show you what we get, show you the menu and things like that. So we got a spot here. We're kind of, kind of in the middle, I guess. We got a fish tank there. We got a couple elephants. And we have space. There's the moon, the sky. So yeah, we're basically in the forest. That almost looks like a giant mushroom, the bar. So it does have a bar. You can just kind of walk up and go to the bar if it's available. May's shining her phone light directly into my eyeballs. But yeah, so here's the menu. Have a look at it. They got the soups and salads. There's a glare there, guys. Looks like a birthday. It's just a fun place to eat. Like I said, it's just kind of a whole experience. This is not by any means like gourmet fanciness. Yeah, you know, there's kids, there's families, there's people having fun. Different appetizers there. You got soups and salads. You got different pastas. Forbidden fares of the Rainforest. Caribbean Trio. Very extensive menu. Awesome appetizer. All just different apps you can get. You got pot roast. Bunch of different drinks. This is where you can get your glass, your collectible. Hey, the beers and the wines. They also have the smoothies. Yeah, this is the one. They've had this for a while. This is the one we have. Similar to that anyway. Now they have Rio as well. I guess it's a parrot. I don't know. Different flavors you can get with the ices. I mean, this menu, it just goes on and on. Buy the drink, keep the glass. So looks like I got 2 of those. Jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. That sounds interesting. Bourbon grilled meatloaf. Cajun New York strip with bourbon glazed shrimp. Crispy bruschetta chicken. Taste of the Islands. That's a dessert, sparkling volcano. Beef, pork, and chicken. They got seafood. I mean, there's all kinds of things. Sandwiches and burgers. So there's enough here to choose. All right, let's see what we end up getting. So the elephants are getting upset. There's not really a lot of action in here, so which is, if you have like, it's dark too, but say you came in with a little kid that you may think might get a little scared, or, oh man, you know, the animals are moving around. They definitely do not, you know, they're not lifelike by any means, as you can see. I mean, you know, I don't think it would be an issue with fear, because they're just kind of moving around a little bit, couple little noises, nothing, you know, intense anyway. I'm waiting for over here with these gorillas to see if they do something. You see the butterfly moving on the tree, but it's not, Roberta, there's not a heck of a lot going on in here.
No, but it is neat.
It's nice. Yeah, no, it's cool. I'm enjoying just hanging out. I love the fish tanks, which are nice. So yeah, just wanted to give you a little update, and let's see how it goes. I suppose that could be a little scary for a kid, depending. It's a little loud. But it just seems like it's just kind of repeating itself, and that's about it. So it only lasts for a very, very short period. I would have really loved to have gotten that table right in front of us, because then we would have really been able to see the fish, but pretty neat overall. Not too bad. Let's see how the food is though, right? Because that's also important. So one thing to be aware of, Roberta, say what you just were saying to me. That's why I turned the camera back on.
Over in the back by the bathrooms. Talking about that, the bathroom needs some work. But by the bathrooms over there, they're talking about like saving the rainforest.
Right.
Because we're talking about the napkins.
Yeah, the napkins and paper straws. If you're a fan.
It seems like it's more like you know, like the
recycled paper, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
But it's part of the culture here with their brand.
Saving the forest and things like that.
Yeah. So they're using.
That's what it seems to be. Yeah.
Which to me, I don't know. Somebody in the comments let me know this, but if you use the cloth napkin and you rewash them, wouldn't you actually be saving, or maybe be using water?
Yeah,
it's tough to figure, okay, but now you're using paper, but then you're using water. Rainforest, I get it, don't want to use the water. But we're just noticing it's kind of like, you know, you're just getting these little paper, thin napkins and paper straws. I know a lot of people don't like these, including me. I'll be honest, I don't like paper straws. I understand what the idea is, but they don't work good. And you know, they disintegrate. So, but again, on Medling World, we keep it real. We like to show you guys these different things on our channel. That's how we vlog. Whether it's good or bad or opinionated, it's fine. But that's our update on the paper products at Rainforest Cafe. Oh, Roberta, that looks pretty decent. What'd you get here?
It's like a chicken sandwich. What is it? Beef Bimini?
I'm not sure. I didn't see what you got, but what it's got? What,
It's
grilled
a chicken
chicken,
soup.
lettuce,
Yeah.
tomato.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks pretty good actually.
And that's coconut curry coleslaw.
Coconut curry, coleslaw, and fries.
Fries, yes.
Oh, that looks real good. Dig into that, Roberta. May with the jerk chicken shrimp pasta. Wow, it looks like it's got some red pepper in there, some different peppers. And Jake, you got the stir fry, right? The chicken spicy stir fry. Got some red cabbage there. You got some scallions. You got some mandarins in there. All kinds of good stuff. And I got, as Jake and I interlocked arms, I got fish and chips, man. I don't eat a lot of seafood because Roberta's allergic to it. So when we go out, sometimes I enjoy fish and chips. And I will say one thing, guys. Would you agree with something? The portions are big. For Disney, this is a very big portion. So yeah, let's eat, and then we'll let you know how it was when we're done. I had to do a quick check-in just to let you know. Everything's been, you know, we've each had a few bites. Food is nice and hot. I love it. I love that it's hot, because sometimes with Roberta's allergy, something comes out cold. Everybody's was hot. Hers was made separate. Came out a couple minutes before ours, but ours came out nice and hot. And you know, the server who brought it over wanted to make sure that it was hot for us. It was good. I had some bites of the fish. It's breaded nicely. The fish is good. The fries, of course, I do my I do a McDonald's comparison. Is McDonald's baseline, as Jake steals a fry here, and I use a 7.8 as a McDonald's score for a fry. These fries. And I do this when I have fish and chips. Do you guys do this? This isn't the healthiest of meals, no. But the fries are good, man. The fries are very good. In fact, I'm giving the fries an 8.5. The fish is good. I mean, I'm overly happy with this. I did not think that my dish would be this good just for a basic fish and chips. Even a fish and chips, 8.3 on a fish and chips, very good. Battered nice with good chunks of fish in it. I'm enjoying it. The coleslaw is good. Coleslaw is like average almost, but it's good. Jake, how about your spicy chicken stir fry with the rice and the cabbage and all that good stuff?
It's not too spicy. I like the mix of everything. I think it's a very good mix. Nothing's really too overpowering, and it's very good overall.
Nice, and you guys are both enjoying it. Mutabon, May?
Very good.
Very good, May says. Berta, what'd you think?
I was surprised by it.
Better than I expected?
Yeah.
I didn't think that, I thought that it would be a fun night out and everything, but the food was really good. None of us could finish, so we brought it all home.
Yeah. Well, last time was the average, I think, at best.
Yeah, it's a little better.
This time it was a lot better, yes.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed the coconut. It was a light flavor of coconut,
Yeah,
but it was good.
I tried it. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
And the thing is, in Brazil, you guys eat. Things have been a little different in our house the past several weeks with May here, because in Brazil, the big meal of the day is lunch. And breakfast, lunch, and then dinner is kind of what in America we would have for lunch, like a sandwich or something. So we've been eating a little bit opposite because of May. She's been making big, huge lunches, you know, when we're all hanging out, and then eating a light dinner. So tonight we're all like getting back to normal eating habits of Americans, so none of us could finish.
Yeah, it was good.
But it was all good. May, you enjoyed? Mutabon?
And the service was also very good.
Oh, service was great.
Jake, how was it?
It's better than I expected.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be worse, but it was a lot better.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Hey guys, that's a wrap here from Rainforest Cafe. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!